Hi ladies, I'm Karen and this is Georgia. We're from Goose Island. We've had a lovely new delivery of autumn dresses. I'm wearing the animal print parachute dress, which can be worn tied or it can be worn loose like this. It's a free size, it fits up to a size 18, and we've only, literally, they've just come in and we've only got the navy and the chocolate brown left that I'm wearing. And we've also had in parachute dress in the splash fabric as well, the same as we had in the summer in the jumpsuits and the strappy dresses, but they've got these lovely long sleeves now. And Georgia is wearing the plain parachute dress. Because she's so small, she's wearing a belt with it to clench in the waist, so you can just see how fabulous it looks on somebody who's a size 8 and who can wear it with a belt. You know, people might think they look a bit shapeless, but just styled with a belt just takes it to a whole new level. And I wear it tied. I like to wear it tied and pulled in here. So we've got all these lovely colours. What have we got?
So we have black, we've got the mustard, which is a really nice colour. The teal is kind of like a deep teal blue.
And the plum that you're wearing.
Yeah, and the
grey.
wine colour and the grey. All of these colours are really, really good for autumn, aren't they? I've paired them with just jeans, and these are just some wedges, but they look amazing with boots.
And the prices, the plain dress is £29.99, the animal print is £34.99, and the splash print is £34.99. And if you head over to our website, there's lots of offers. We've got special offers for signing up, and so you can get discount off that. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Thank you.